Greetings, my YouTube family. It's a lovely day. It's November 21st. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And they let us out early. We had the option of leaving work early today. And I decided to take that option and come get some writing done, which is exactly what I'm doing. So I'm at a Barnes & Noble, close to my job, and I've been here for the past 2 hours. I'm getting work done. I'm very happy about that because I lost a lot of writing time when I was sick. And if you can hear it in my voice, I'm still stuffy, but I'm up, and I am feeling confident. I have my enthusiasm back. I can hold my head up for longer than 20 minutes at a time, and I don't have a pounding headache. So this is a blessing. And just wanted to touch base and just share that with you. Thank you for those who commented and wished me well, and I appreciate that. Thank you for watching. And I'm about to go back in this establishment and write for another 2 hours and then take another break and do that for as long as I can today, so I can feel like I really am back in the races. So I'm about 30,000 words in. You know, the goal is to get to 50,000. Ultimately, my goal is to finish my manuscript this month, my first draft of it anyways. And like I said, I'm feeling pretty confident about that. So I'll keep you posted and let you know how it goes. Hope you're having an awesome day, and happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays, happy November. Peace and love.